torque of 20 Newton meters. Then we are going to finish it with the pneumatic system, but let's check the timing. So there is an alignment of the yellow mark, this one, with this in the head cylinder, when the lift of the exhaust valve is around 4 millimeters. Checking the clearances of the valves, the tips, and the exhaust has to be around 0.20. We are a little bit short, it's more or less 0.15, but we can accept it. But where we are not good is the intake, so it's 0.30 instead of 0.15, which is the standard. So the reason is the intake valve has been shorted because of the machining of the seat, and that machining was 1 millimeter, which was the same amount of metal which has been removed from the tip. The head cylinder is already in, and then we have to tune the clearance here between the tap of the valve and the rocker arm. Two adjuster for the rocker arms. One is 3.30 millimeters and one is 3.20 millimeters. We have measured the actual tap, the actual adjuster, which is 3 millimeters point 1. Expected clearance is 0.15. We have to increase the adjuster at least 0.1 millimeters, which means we are going to make the choice of the 3.21. Now we decide to switch on the 3.30 adjuster, because with the 3.20 the clearance was more than 0.2. Instead here we have 0.15 millimeters, which is good because this is the intake side. A range of 90 degrees of camshaft from this point to this point, meaning this is a closing point of intake valve. Now intake valve is closed, and then there are 90 degrees of camshaft, meaning 180 degrees of the crankshaft. This is the time between the compression and the explosion of the mixture inside the combustion chamber. There is a phase when this is the mark, which is here, when exhaust valve is going to open, meaning this, when the exhaust valve is going to open is the alignment of the PMS in the cylinder head, and the two marks are this one and this yellow. So this is the PMS of the horizontal cylinder. Reference between the crankcase and the sprocket, bringing the motion from the engine to the two camshafts. This mark is referred to the PMS of the horizontal cylinder. Can close the cylinder head with the knowledge of the PMS alignment of the horizontal cylinder. And now we can preload the belt. Application with the mobile phone, giving us the frequency of any sound. The one of the belt should be 140 Hertz. La. Check if the timing is okay. We are in neutral.